Abantwana abane baphulukene nobomi babo ngokumasikizi kumlilo Wendlu owenzeke kwangoko namhlanje eMayfair kwidolophu yaseGoli. Ingxelo yokuqala evela kwabenkonzo zolawulo olungxamisekileyo irhanela kuba umlilo ubangelwe sisixhobo sokufudumeza. Okanye ke abenkonzo zongxamiseko babongoza abahlali ukuba balumke ngakumbi xa besebenzisa izixhobo zokuzifudumeza. Nanjengoko amaqondo obushushu kulindeleke ukuba ehle ukuqala ngoLwesithathu kuya ekupheleni kweveki.
Yes, our City of Johannesburg Emergency Management firefighters are responding to a house on fire incident in Mayfair, which was reported at around 11 this morning. On arrival, the firefighters started conducting firefighting operation. Unfortunately, there were about 4 bodies which were recovered, which our paramedics from GPG confirmed them dead on scene. Their ages are believed to be from 2 and below. Another one we've been told it might be 1 year, 7, 1 year, 9 months, and the other one might be a year or 9 months or so. So the overall average years is 2 and below. So at this stage, the cause of the fire it's unknown, but it is really alleged that there was a heating device which was in use just before the fire started in the room. So our fire investigating team are here on site. They will be investigating what might be the cause of the fire incident. But from our side, we still continue to plead with our residents to ensure that they use heating devices safely during this winter season.